How to remove TikTok Shop from your profile. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you the way to remove TikTok Shop from your profile. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, launch TikTok app on your device. Make sure to update the application to the latest version and sign into your account. So in order to have TikTok Shop on your profile, you just have to switch to the business account. So in order to remove TikTok Shop from your profile, simply tap on profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Now from this section, you have to tap on the three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Tap on settings and privacy. Now select the option here at the top, account at top of the screen. Now select switch to personal account and now tap switch anyway. With this, you have successfully removed TikTok Shop from your profile. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.